This one's small.
Alright, we just have to rate this. We just have to complete this and rate it. That's what I'm doing for my YouTube channel. If it's something you have to beat, we have to beat it. So this isn't only up, so we have to beat it. It's a baby, it's only up. Oh, I almost fell and hit the tag. Yeah, what's it? Oh wait, I just realized something. Wait, we could just cheat like this. We could just cheat. Alright, where's this bring me? Oh, the end. Alright, okay, let's go check out his room one. We have to rate the whole world.
I have one question for you, dude. I saw room 4 in Foxily Up, and I have one question, and that is, where is that map in normal? Like, where is it? Seriously, though, like, where?
What do you mean?
What?
What do you mean? There's like a given thing again.
Follow me.
No, I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video.
My guy, there's something I want to show you that I'm curious about, and I want to know where the map is, okay? I'm talking about, like, this spider city thing. Like, how do I get there?
What do you mean, how do you get to Spider City? Read the tech web. I'm gonna sit the band. I'm gonna try to beat it. I'm gonna try to beat this. I'm gonna try to beat this map upside down.
Can you follow me? That's what I'm asking, okay?
No, I'm recording a video.
I've already said that, my guy.
Where am I going? I'm trying to beat it upside down. Wait, so this moves me over there. Brings me over here. Oh. Which brings me over here.
How does this roll?
How do I do this?
First, how do I do this upside down?
How I do it.
No! Upside down. Actually, sideways.
Upside down. Upside down. Oh no. Upside down.